Hi, let's see how we can save some money on investigating and this time specifically on how to claim credits for AWS service outages. So first, what is an SLA? A service level agreement is an outsourcing and technology vendor contract that outlines a level of service that a supplier promises to deliver to the customer. So it outlines metrics such as uptime, delivery time, response time, and resolution time. And it also states the penalties, financial or otherwise, that either side occurs if they fail to live up to their SLA obligations. And AWS commits to offer service level agreements for all paid, generally available services. You have one example here for EC2. If your monthly uptime percentage is less than 99.99%, but equal or greater to 99%, then you will receive 10% of credit for that month. Let's see a few examples, starting by Route 53 here. So you can see here that less than 100%, meaning that if you have a monthly downtime of at least 1 second, here you can already claim for 10% of credits. Let's take a second example for Aurora here. The monthly uptime percentage is less than 99%, but equal to or greater than 95%. Then you can claim for 25%, meaning it's 99, so for at least 7.2 hours of downtime in your month. And last example for, let's say, S3 standard here. If the monthly uptime percentage is less than 95%, you can claim 100% of credits, and it will be for a downtime of at least 36 hours in your current month. So to find them all, you can look at your impacted services during the outages, and you can also look into the service health dashboard here. So to fix it, you simply have to submit a claim by opening a case in the AWS Support Center, and the incident must include first the words SLA credit request in the subject line, secondly the billing cycle and AWS regions with respect to which you are claiming service credits, together with the monthly uptime percentage for that AWS region for the billing cycle and the specific dates, times, and availabilities for each 5 minutes interval with less than 100% availability in that AWS region throughout the billing cycle. And finally, also, and this is why it might be a little bit difficult, you need to specify your request logs that document the errors for your claimed outage.